12:25 on your Monday afternoon, and big changes are on the way. A cold front expected later on this afternoon. Much cooler tonight and still breezy, and then tomorrow a very cold morning. We're expecting temperatures in the upper 40s, wind chills maybe in the low 40s, and a mostly sunny day. So here's where we're sitting at right now. All of your temperatures in the 80s. It's 86 up and down that I-69E corridor, 85 in Weslaco, in the low 80s in Edinburg, McAllen, and Rio Grande City. Head over to the coast in the upper 70s at South Padre Island, low 80s in Port Isabel and Brownsville. High temperatures today, well, they're going to continue to climb. So high temperatures today in the mid to upper 80s, 88 in McAllen, 89 in Rio Grande City, and then 85 in Weslaco, Harlingen, and Raymondville. Expect a couple of showers this afternoon, mainly toward the coast, and expect a very breezy afternoon. So here's what we're tracking next. This cold front, right now it is in the state. It is just to the north of us. Now with the high temperatures that we're going to experience, you might not be able to tell that that cold front is in the state of Texas, but this is going to continue to travel south. It is way south of us by Tuesday morning. High pressure starts to build in. That's why we get sunny skies tomorrow. Very cool temperatures behind this front. Really, the front not a big rainmaker, but what it's going to do is really cool us down. That high pressure system continues to move off to the east. That makes way for another front to come through. Once that happens, well, we continue to stay cool, and cloud cover and rain chances really start to come back. So let's time this out for you hour by hour. I think we start to hit those high temperatures by 1 p.m. today, and then we slowly start to decline as far as those temperatures are concerned. We really start to feel the front by around 7 p.m. That's when it's completely through the valley. So 72 degrees by 7, 65 by 9, 60 by 11, and then in the upper 50s by 1 a.m. Average high for this time of year is 72 degrees, so we will be way below that tomorrow. Your rain chances, 20% chance of rain, mainly I-69E and east of I-69E. Everyone else, very low rain chances. I think if you're in Starr County, you're not going to have a rain chance at all. If you're headed out to the water today, winds out of the west at around 15 to 20 knots, gusts up to around 30 knots at times. Next side's a high tide tonight at 10:07. The seas are at 3 to 5 feet, and there is a gale warning tonight once that front starts to make its way through from 6 p.m. to 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. And there is a moderate rip current risk if you are going to head out into the water. First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast showing today high of around 85. Partly to mostly cloudy skies. A couple of showers are possible. You saw those rain chances. 20% chance of rain toward the coast. Breezy conditions. Expect wind gusts up to around 25 miles per hour at times tonight. We stay with those breezy conditions, and because the front starts to come through, wind gusts up to around 30 miles per hour at times. Low temperatures tonight in the upper 40s, and it's going to become mostly clear. You saw how that cold air starts to filter in. That means dry air starts to filter in, all those winds out of the north, and that also means that we get sunny skies. So huge temperature difference, more than a 20-degree drop from today into tomorrow. We are only hitting around 60 degrees tomorrow, only hitting around 61 on Wednesday, and then a slow increase as far as temperatures are concerned Thursday, Friday into Saturday. Your weekend's looking pretty good right now. Again, another front starts to come through. That increases the cloud cover. That increases the rain chances. That increase in cloud cover, that's what's going to keep us in the 70s. And then by Sunday, we are back in the upper 70s. We're going to continue to track these fronts for you, and that's your First Warn 5 forecast. We'll be back after this.